So just finishing up a couple bathrooms in this house. Okay, so just finishing up a couple bathrooms in this house. So this shower, I'm just getting ready for silicone. Let me show you. So I just got to get all the corners over here, over there, up around the top. I got to scrape some of that grout out of there. Got these corners here and the bench seat. And this is one shower that I did here. And this is the floor here. So this is subway tile. Obviously it's a 4-inch by 16-inch subway tile. Use the Schluter metal as trim for the niche, and then we have it on the knee wall on both sides and up and down here. Very important when you're putting a Schluter trim on this wall that this be exactly plumb. Otherwise your tiles, if it's not plumb, you're gonna have to have the tile size is going to vary, it's going to change. So you're going to make sure this is perfectly plumb so that you get all exactly the same pieces here and you don't run into trouble, you know, being off and not having matching sizes. So hexagon floor is a little bit bigger than I like to put on a shower floor, but that's what we got. So, and this is the floor here, and let me take you downstairs. This is a big house.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.
So downstairs, I'm all done. I siliconed everything, and I actually cleaned up and pulled up my drop cloths. The other drop cloths that are here belong to the GC. So basically under the other one, I had drop cloths down here that I picked up that were mine. These ones that remain belong to the GC. This is a slightly smaller bathroom, but got the plank tile. Didn't have enough tile to go under the vanity. The vanity is wall to wall, so that's not going to be a problem. We got the floor fix drain and the pebble floor. And this is all silicone. This is completely finished, completely done, all done. So just getting ready to turn the lights off and put the silicone upstairs in that shower, and I'm completely done with these 2 bathrooms and on to the next one. So I figured I'd give just a quick little update on what I've been up to.